this is a beauty video. I'm doing like unboxings after unboxings after unboxings, trying to catch up. So you will see the same little outfit I have. This is magic. The magic is in this little bag, okay? I know you've heard me talk about DeathandCandy and their Liq-Life. I bought the big one. That's a huge. I love her. So DeathandCandy, I will have that in the description box below. This is not sponsored. She is just a wonderful small indie brand company, and I love what she makes, so I buy it. We're talking like, let's talk consumer to consumer now, okay? She gives everybody free stuff. So no one is specifically special. Everyone's equally special. I am excited. I got one of her newest stackers. Alright, so we're gonna go with the names. We have, is this poisonous? I think it was called her red stacker, but she has like cool little resin goodies in here, but is this poisonous? That's what it's called. But look at this. Is this poisonous? It's a little grainy, but it has iridescence of greens, oranges, reds, and this QAF mushroom. It's the cutest little thing. You can see the gold, but it is a greenish gold, and it has red sparkles. And then there's that cute little mushroom. Because some mushrooms are poisonous, right? Then we have one in the melon. So the stacker. So it's like you have to close the one, and you can just open the one you want to use. So, cause she's one in a million, chance of a lifetime. I know there's another song, and I think I wanted to start with that other song, but it just didn't happen. Watermelon! So one in the melon. The glitters are multi-chrome. It's blue to green, and there's a little bit purple hiding around. This is what it looks like on my finger. See the little bit of purple on top, but then you see the bluish green. It's sporadic, so if you want to keep them more together, just mess with a silicone paddle brush. Let me just show you the swatch. There is that watermelon slice. It is so cool. The camera is giving you rose gold, but it's purple to blue. Third up is Forbidden Fruit Punch. Okay, what we got? Oh, maybe you can see the iridescence here. Oh, yes. Okay, so you see that? The gold and the pink in there. There's the purple and the blue. So now we're on to this one. It is a pink with green glitters, and it has purple glitters and gold glitters. Yes. Then the next one is a crimson red. And then the last one, it looks like a coral. Yes. With, of course, other colors of glitters. This is a gorgeous. Look at that. And when I see it, I see a deep Barney purple. Bigger round glitters. They're giving me octagon. And it's totally giving me Cleona dragon fruit. I'm seeing purple. I'm seeing pink. I'm seeing little red tiny micro glitters. I'm seeing turquoise. There's that greenish yellow. Wow, it's like everything. But I see a Barney purple, hot pink. And those they're multicolored octagons. The bigger ones, they're amazing. Two more to go. Blood of thy enemies. Say no more. So this is the one that I said was a crimson. Ooh, looks like blood. And there's something big in here too. Oh, guys, there are 2 big red kitchen knives. Big red kitchen knives. Different shapes of bigger glitters. And then there's some small dotted red glitters. Let me get you close. Look at those knives. Those are kitchen knives. I have 2 of them. This is like psycho in the best way possible. So it's orange to red to hot pink. Oh, and then that crimson red when I see it. She is a master of her product. That is amazing. Last one is called Strawberry Shortcake. That's adorable. That's adorable. You know, come down from the psycho, going into Strawberry Shortcake. Play face, play face. Toddlers and tiaras. It's a strawberry. How fitting, right? Okay, so it is a coral with strawberry slices with all different colored with all different sizes of glitter. Now when I see it, I'm seeing also greens, like a lime green, and I'm seeing a beautiful teal blue. Let's see what you see. Bam. There is that slice of strawberry. Ain't that so sweet? And I see you're seeing the coral. Oh, I see some lavender. I see some greens. I see, what else? Is there any blues? I see, okay, I see that one, that right there. Watch when I move it. There's the blue. Look at all this goodness. Wow. This was a glitter stack. Oh, I love you. When you get the Liq-Life, you always get a cute little scooping spoon, and these are really strong and thick and awesome. I use Liq-Life for these shadows. Liq-Life is life. Get the green one, and I have this one. Let me know if you guys would like to see a full DeathandCandy video. Me swatching all these goodies, all of them, giving you the names, showing you what cute bigger glitters are in there. And like I said, the glitters, they're novelty glitters in there. Like this one right here, it has rubber duckies. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Last things are the freebies. Get it in a baggie. Sticker. Freebies. Glasses on so we can see because this is smaller. Right. It just has a DeathandCandy Creations. This white glitter one only has a DeathandCandy Creations sticker. Sometimes they have names on it, sometimes they don't. So I'm seeing this giving me snow winter vibes. And they're a lot of tiny iridescent silver with green, purple glitters. Okay, you see those glitters? See the green, a little lavender. Next up, once again, just the sticker, but no specific name. Just the sticker that says DeathandCandy Custom Creations. Well, wow. Oh, I'm getting disco unicorn vibes. Disco, disco unicorn vibes. You see all those colors? It looks like magic. Last but not least, there's stars in here. But they're deep stars. This, look, it has a lime green base. Lime green is more of the tiny glitters, and then you see the golds and the blues. I love the way it looks on the screen. Right. There are stars in here. Let me try to pick one up. That's the star right there. There's a few of them. There's 2 different sizes. This is one of the bigger ones. Don't be afraid of glitter. You see the star, how it's changing colors? It's a rainbow. Holographic, that's what you call it. Holographic star. Oh, I'm gonna call you Delaney. I need this in my life. This house where the unicorn is glitterified. And I'm loving it. I'm gonna live in the glitter for a little while. It's like gonna feel like this glitter for a little while. You're not seeing what I'm seeing. And it sucks, but if you do own any of this, you know what I'm talking about. And if you don't, that's what I'm going to say. Okay, I'm saying a lot without saying a lot. But there'll be information about DeathandCandy custom creations down in my description box. Her website, her Instagram. I love you all. Unicorn hugs. Unicorn love. And unicorn kisses.